Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a coupon book interior. So let's get started. So first, head on over to Canva. You can have the free or pro version. This is definitely going to be easier if you have the pro version, but I will show you how to do it if you don't have the pro version, so don't worry. But first, just go to your home page, and then right here it says search your content or canvas, and just type in coupons, and that's what we're going to search. And this is going to bring up all of the templates that Canva already has, and this honestly makes it so much easier to create a coupon book, because if you already have a template to work on, then you can just edit it and kind of make it your own rather than starting from scratch. But obviously you can do what's best for you. I'm going to show you how to start it from scratch, and I'm also going to show you how to edit the template. So let's look at a few of the templates they have here. In this video, I'm not going to be going over like the niche research or the sizes or things like that, but if you guys are interested in like more detail of a tutorial for coupon books, just let me know in the comments below and I can definitely do a more detailed video on that. So it depends really what size you want. If you have the pro version, you can take any template and change the size to whatever size you want. Like this one right here would work pretty well, or this one all the way to the left. This one right here would work as well. There's a bunch of different ones, and they're all different styles. So obviously it would depend on your personal preference and what niche you are doing. Like you're doing a coupon book for adults or children, or if you're doing it for a certain holiday like Easter or Christmas. There's just so many possibilities. So that will definitely depend on what you do, but just find a template that you like, and then all you have to do is click on it and it'll open it up. So I already opened one up earlier, hoping that it would be loaded so we wouldn't have to wait for it. There we go, it's all loaded now, and I definitely recommend that you don't just use templates as is, because you want to make it unique and you really don't want to have a duplicate interior. And I also am not entirely sure if Canva even allows that. They definitely want you to be creating your own content. So make sure that you are editing it, or at least do some research to ensure that you're following all of the licensing laws correctly. So for this template, as you can see, we can edit literally anything going on here. So I'm just going to start deleting a few things I don't want. And you would have to make sure that you have all of the margins correct and the size correct, so that way when the book printed it was good. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to edit the interiors and get them looking like a coupon book. But again, if you want a more detailed tutorial, just let me know in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to do that. So we're going to move this one down here. I'm going to delete these. And I'm just going to do valid until forever. We're just going to do valid forever. Move that towards the middle. Delete that. Special discount, I'm just going to do like one free massage. This could be like a Valentine's Day coupon book or something like that. Just gonna do one free massage, and you can go on over to elements and try to find things that go along with what you're talking about. So I'm just gonna search massage and see if anything comes up that I think looks pretty good. So obviously it depends who you're buying this for and what they'll personally like. Let's see here. We'll just use this picture as an example of somebody getting a massage. Gonna move it right over. And then you'd probably want to spice it up a little bit more, change the font, make things look more centered, but that's just one example. So now I'm going to do another one right below it just to give you guys another idea. So I'm going to highlight all of it, group it together. I'm going to actually delete all of this because I don't feel like deleting them all individually again. I'm going to copy and paste this, and as you can see, there's little lines in between them that people can cut using scissors, so definitely keep that in mind as well, because this is going to be printed in a book and people are going to have to cut out the coupons if they want to use them like that. So just something else to keep in mind. So I'm going to ungroup it, and let's do this one. Instead of a free massage, let's do like a free ice cream trip, something like that. That probably wouldn't be in the same book together, but it very well could be. So I'm just going to edit the text here and change massage to 1 free ice cream trip. And you can also edit like these little designs that are in the corner right here. These little swirly things, those could be edited as well. The color could be changed. I definitely would want to edit this more and make it look better than what I'm doing, but I want to give you guys an idea on how you can do it on your own so you can get started. So I'm just going to select a random ice cream cone, shrink it down, and then put it over here to the right. So something like this, like let me just delete these little extra added items here, and let me find maybe some sprinkles. And then I can add these sprinkles. This one looks pretty good, and I could just add them to the background of the coupon, and it can add a little extra flair. And you can just personalize it however you want to. So I'm just going to add these two here. I'm going to position them to backwards. I just don't want them to be over the words. But I do want them to be, there we go, on the front. So you could just do something like that. Like I would want to make the words stand out a bit more so the sprinkles don't cover them up. But that is just one idea on how to create coupon books using the template. So now how to create them on your own is really simple. Like once you pick your size and everything you're doing, it's really not that hard to make them. If you just want to make traditional ones, all you have to do is find a rectangle or a square or however. And you can literally follow a template like the one I have above. You can just follow that in case you just want to have sort of a guide. You can definitely do something like that. I'm just going to change this color to something a little bit easier to read. So we're going to do this one. And again, you'd want to space these out and make sure that you're in the margins. That way when it prints, people can actually use the whole coupon. And you could add all sorts of designs. You don't have to do a square. You could do a circle, or you could do like literally anything you want. You could do a heart. There's a million different things that you could do. So then all you would do is just add some text. And you just go to the text bar on the left. You can add any of these, a heading, subheading, anything. And we're just going to do 1 free cookie. I don't know, we'll do something like that. Maybe this is for a kid and they only get cookies on special occasions. Who knows? So you can just do something like that. 1 free cookie. Change this to never expires. We'll put it down there. 1 free cookie up here. Again, like I recommend changing the font around and the colors and making it all look really cool and have it pop out. I'm just going to add some cookies so that way there is something unique about it. And we're going to go with that. And then if you want to do a fill in the blank one, if you've seen those on Amazon KDP, I'm just going to put this over here. And then I'm going to ungroup it. That's also super simple to do. Like all you have to do is put a line there so that way people can write their own thing. So instead of this free cookie thing, I'm just going to delete it. We're going to go to elements, going to go to line. I'm just going to select, you can pick any line you want. I'm just going to do a blank one right here. And you can just put it right there, spread it out, delete the cookie. And there you go, people can fill it in. And if you want to, you could add some sort of image on the left. We'll do like a question mark, because this is a mystery one, maybe. Something like that. I mean, obviously, again, you'd want to finesse this and make it look super neat and nice, but this is just a basic idea on how to create coupon books for Amazon KDP. You'd have to do your niche research and figure out your audience and everything like that. If you guys want a more detailed video on these, please let me know in the comments below. I definitely do not mind trying to do that. And I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to comment below. And again, I appreciate the support so much. Thank you again for watching and listening, and I hope you have a fantastic day.